or welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to make a beautiful and nice gift for Mother's Day. So without wasting time, let's start it. Now I am going to show you the materials for making this gift. First is the scissor. Next is a full bag of cotton. Then a glittery paper, stapler, origami paper and our mother's photo. The first step is we have to fold the glitter paper and press it in the middle. Next, unfold it and fluff it with the cotton. And one more thing you need to remember, and that is you have to put the cotton on one side only. Now fold the paper again and fluff the cotton inside. Now press the paper. Take the stapler and staple the papers together. Now we have made the cute little pillow, and then we need the origami paper. Cut it in a leaf shape. This is the shape I have cut. Now we have to staple it into the side corners. We have stapled it on the both sides, and it's the gift for mother. And the next we have to put the mother's photo and cover it. Now we have to stick it with the glue. We have applied the glue and now we don't have to stick it. Before that we have to apply the glue on this glitter paper and put the cotton on it. Now we have applied the glue and let's put the cotton. First spread the cotton. Now we have applied the cotton on the glue, and the last but not the least, we have to apply the photo on the cotton and press it. Look at this beautiful gift for Mother's Day! Please do the drill. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the little bell. Till that time, stay safe